Good evening, everybody. Here's the food, the rice, and the pork adobo. And this is our kitchen, everybody. The sink over there, where we cook. And that's it. Our kitchen, small one. That's it. The pork adobo. Not bad.